Who is that? Hi. Welcome to my new home and my new life. I'm just playing. My cousin just closed on her new home, so we are here to take a tour. I'm so excited for her. So, I don't know what I'm doing. This is the living room area right here. It's very new, so you see all the things that my cousin bought in because I did not help at all. I just came after the hard work was done. We have a nice view of the front yard, and she does have a beautiful porch. I'm sorry I didn't show you that, but I'll show you that on the way out. This is the kitchen area. This is gonna be where the dining room is gonna be, and this is the kitchen. You see, we have a lot of work to do. She's been cleaning up the refrigerator, so in a bit we'll put the drawers back in and move it back to where it's supposed to be. And here's our pantry. I say ours because I'm gonna be spending time here. And hopefully helping too. And then we have another, I think this is a coat closet, right? We have this little coat closet. And you see we have a paint sprayer because we're gonna be doing all the little things that it takes.
That's not the paint sprayer.
It's not?
Mm-mm.
Oh.
I don't know what that is.
Well, let's pretend I know what I'm talking about.
You gonna look out the paint sprayer later.
Here is the laundry room. And she actually has a washer and a dryer. I was so impressed. I was like, girl, you are adulting.
You came with the house.
Shh, ain't nobody got no name. And this is the first bedroom. This is gonna be my bedroom for the night. And this is a closet. A very quaint little cozy little closet, but it does work. I was able to get my things in here.
Okay, with your real estate lingo, quaint and cozy.
Of course, girl. So we're gonna come out here to this other closet. We have plenty of closet space. The closets are small, but they make up for it in number. Oh, this must be the paint sprayer. Mm-hmm. Okay, this is the paint sprayer, people. Just another room over. We have another bedroom. The bedrooms just keep adding up. And we have a nice window and another closet here. So this is I would call it a guest bedroom. We have plenty of guest bedrooms here. This is our guest bathroom, and we are getting the refrigerator together. So that's what you see right here. And then here is the little vanity area. Can't wait to see what this turns out like when we finally get to it. Follow me this way. Here we have another bedroom. This is a little bigger than the other two. And you see the flooring is different. So got some work to do. It has 2 windows. I love that. And here is the closet. We're not done yet, folks. We have another coat closet. Or this would be a
Linen closet.
Yeah, a linen closet. And aren't these cute? Plenty of shelving in there. And then we're in the main bedroom right now. And here we have French doors for our closet. A nice little step-in closet. Not quite a walk-in, but you can step in it for sure. Yes. Alrighty. And then here's our main bathroom. Our primary bathroom. That's what it is. This is primary. And that is what we have. I'm going to take you out to the front so you can see the beautiful porch. Where are you looking?
I like it though, because I think it would be really good for vlogging.
Yeah, it's good for like out the house.
It's looking at me.
I know. Can we see her camera? Yeah, I see it. She's starting a YouTube channel, y'all. It's gonna be good. I'll let y'all know when she start posting.
Right, I'm filming, which I've done before. Let's see if I get a video on my. Ooh. I'm filming, which I've done before. Let's see if I get a video online. Right.
It smell like bleach in here. Okay, yeah, that's it. That's what we like. We tried to go treat ourselves to some ice cream, but Salt made us miss the ice cream truck.
Y'all used to have ice cream trucks in here?
No.
Oh, you ain't never been outside that ice cream truck and you yell out, Mom, get into it! Run it down! painting in this room. It's not the smallest, but it's a smaller one. And I just feel like I'm just gonna try to do all the things I think I'm supposed to do and see how it works out. Of course, like with the prep work, take out all the outlets. I want to try to replace the actual outlet part after I finish painting, but we'll see. But at least for the painting, take off the outlet covers and just kind of get like a smooth finish. So that's the part. That's one of the parts that I'm like most nervous about. And I noticed they have fire alarms in each room. You think that's necessary?
Yeah.
A fire alarm in each bedroom?
Good morning, guys. Happy Sunday. We are about to do something. We're gonna do what we can because we're going out for brunch today with the family. We're all gonna celebrate her buying her new home. So in the meantime, while we wait for people, we're gonna try to install her security system.
Yes.
So we have to remove this oven here, and hopefully it won't start sounding off. We don't think it will because who paying the bill? But I think that if I go around here with a screwdriver, like a flathead, I can actually pop this out of this plate. And then I'll probably be able to pull this off the wall. The hope is that it's not a big wide hole as wide as this because her system has a much narrower keypad. So hopefully that's the case. This is gonna be the new one. So cute. So let's see how this goes. Yes, that's funny. Okay, gotta go. Here's the screw. It's gonna be a little hole. Now, the only thing is, I don't know how this cord. I don't know what the cords do. I don't know because there's nothing.
Oh, it's hardwired.
Yeah. We don't know what's going on. How about if we Google how to cut the alarm system, a hardwire alarm system?
How's it attached to the back of it? Just unplug it.
Well, that's not really unplugging. Oh, sorry, my elbow all in there. Try to get you a
You
visual.
look good. And your hand in the way.
I'm sorry. Please don't start making them. Oh my god. That's not.
We about to throw it away. Keep unplugging it, then the thing will turn on. See?
Yeah, because the noise is coming from this box. Hold my screws for me, friends. Thank you. After you get this fixed, then you can bring it down because the two in the top is supported.
I need a piece of drywall.
Yeah. Yay!
It does look a little crooked. It's okay.
Happy Monday. It's Monday here. I am in South Carolina with my family. I filmed so much because it's been a really busy weekend, so I kind of don't know where I'm at, but I know I posted. I divided that way it won't be too much for one vlog. I drove up from Atlanta on Thursday night. I went to Concord, North Carolina. Then the next morning, which is Friday morning, we went near Durham to drop my sister off at her school, then headed back to Concord, and then I went to Charlotte. But Charlotte and Concord are really close together. They're like 30 minutes apart, so that wasn't too bad. And then I stayed a night there, and then last night I came back down to South Carolina. So it's been a very busy weekend. We have some things we got to do here today, and then I'll get on the road and head back, and I'll be back on my regular work scene starting tomorrow on Tuesday. So right now I'm about to go eat. Now I told you it's Monday. My aunt, she made shrimp and grits on a Monday, so that's real fancy to me. So I'm gonna go eat and do some work. I am working from home today, my home where I'm from, and my aunt just got finished making breakfast. Looks good. Look at the sunny plate. It's so good, y'all. He made us miss the ice cream truck. What you so happy for?
So happy. Look at dance. Look at my dance stuff. Look at my dance. Which I've done before. Let's see if I get a video online.
Yeah, I will.